channel. I want to say thank you for all the likes, the comments, and all the new subscribers. It really helps out the channel and keeps motivating me to keep going, so I really appreciate that. So today we're going to tackle some Dakota Digital gauges in my 68 Mustang. Now, Dakota Digital has really made an incredible platform for themselves in the auto Restomod market. They have created custom gauges for you and for me that are just bringing the modernization to our classic Mustangs. So huge shout out to them, and I'm not sponsored, but a huge shout out to them for all the work and research and development that they've done to create us an incredible product. So let's jump into it. The beauty of owning a classic Mustang is the ability to customize as much as you really want and feel comfortable doing. You can go all out and make all the creature comforts you want, or you can keep it pretty basic. You can make it a daily driver, you can make it a weekend Restomod just for fun, and you could also just create that period correct car. My philosophy has become more of a build to drive. Driveway art is just really not appealing to me. I want to be able to get into every one of my cars and just drive it and have fun as intended. I also get really jazzed about the idea of driving a car that was 55 years old and bringing in all the modernization of a current vehicle and the efficiencies. So what is it about the classic Mustang and the classic cars that I want to suggest to you guys to go out and go get one? One of the areas is that it appreciates. You don't lose your money. Now there's a point of where you can just throw all your money at it, cash cow. So you can always go overboard with those kind of things. But there are some parameters that can help you stay inside what I'm going to call the investment zone. The investment zone is basically that your investment is not superseding your purchases. There is a way to stay inside the investment zone, and that's what I'm trying to present to you guys. Is there is options for you. There are current year make and models of Mustangs, of even Honda Accord. I'll put the link up in the description of that, of the brake booster that I just recently did. But there is electric power steering. There is other things that you can bring into your project and make it just as efficient and compatible as some of the more expensive kits out there. One of the parameters to help you stay inside that investment zone is to avoid the while you're in there purchases. Although it's nice to get a ton of upgrades done at the same time, and sometimes it's very convenient to do so, but whenever you do that, you just have to look at the schedule, because once you start that while you're in there business, it really can accumulate and it can take your ride off the road for years, literally. And so I would encourage you just to kind of just take small chunks and build on those and keep your ride moving or on the road. So you want to look to hit those basics first. Our brakes, an engine, and really on these classic Mustangs, really floor pans are really, those are really key too, unless you want to do the Flintstone style, that works too. Other concept to keep you in the appreciation zone and in the investment zone is to use what you got. A lot of times these projects could come and that they come with a lot of extra parts. Be sure to inventory those out like crazy. Get a spreadsheet going and inventory those out. See what you got. You could get a lot accomplished with all the parts that just come with the project. The next thing is upgrades. You can schedule these upgrades and keep your ride still going and on the road. Now, one of the upgrades that I wanted to share with you guys is the Dakota Digital. These gauges are legit, and for a lot of reasons. The one thing that I really wanted these gauges for is that they would speak to the engine that I'm using. So this little part is incredible because it interfaces with your stock computer of an OB2 motor. OB2 engines go from 1996 and up. And this little device connects to your engine and communicates with it and gets the information for your gauges. So it's super cool, guys. So you're just pushing a few buttons to get your engine speed, your tachometer, your temperature, your oil pressure. Super simple though. And some of them can even tell you how much fuel you've got. Now, I don't need the fuel. I've actually got a separate sender for that, and most classic Mustangs do. But just to get all that information from your computer is just, it's awesome because it's real-time information and it's pertinent information, stuff that you can use. So installing these gauges. Is super simple. For a 67, 68 Mustang, you could buy just the plastic housings that come in it. They're pretty inexpensive. You can actually sell the original gauges if you want and make some of that money back. But the gauges themselves, they're basically all packaged, ready to go out the box. Now I have to say, the wiring harnesses they use are legit. I've used some other products that, have some really cheap wiring and some plugs that don't plug in. That's not the case for Dakota Digital. They've actually invested quite a bit in their connectors and in their wiring harnesses. You can tell once you click the actual wiring harnesses together that it's legit. So it all kind of comes together really easily and really nicely. But then you'll want to connect the interfaces together. And that is simply connect it to the main interface box and you're ready to go. So let's go jump in the car and I'll show you what it's like. So here we go. Let's get inside and let's check it out. There's different variations of what kind of gauges you can get. Like this one right here that I'm gonna put on the screen actually looks really cool, and I would look forward to doing this one day. But these are the HDX gauges. I really like the way these look as well. They have a little modern feel to them, but there's a lot of other different options. If you have an OB2 engine, that is, it's 1996 or up, you can use this module and it'll communicate all your gauges from your engine. It may get a little loud. I do not have full exhaust on this thing, but we'll see how it goes. All right, so guys, it works out great. Now it did say in this little note that it said it needed to calibrate the fuel sensor. Actually, I'm using the stock fuel sensor, so all of that is working as it should, but it just thinks that it needs to read the fuel sender. I need to turn that setting off in the system, but works out great. I'm excited to get this thing on the road and just use these gauges, man. You got the quarter-mile timers, you got all kinds of other cool little features that they've added into it. Dakota Digital has brought in a legitimate system to this old classic Mustang. Please hit that like and subscribe. Super helpful for the channel. Appreciate you guys and see you on the next one.